Watch out below.
Down now.
Coming down now. Clear the path here.
¡Cuidado, se cae! A mover este montón. A mover este montón. Arriba, fuerte. Cuidado ahí.
Keep moving, don't stop now. This mud is thick. Watch your footing.
This batch is looking good. Very strong stalks.
Yes, but look here. This one has cracks. Move it over there.
Are the levels right on vat 3?
Almost there, just a bit more bleach.
Careful with that edge, it's fraying. Yeah, I got it. This dye lot is tricky.
This one is heavier than the last. Keep moving, we're almost at the belt.
This batch is mostly large pieces.
Check the moisture on this one.
Is that enough? Needs a little more on this side.
Push it deeper into the vat. All right, I'm trying. This batch is heavy.
Keep pushing, it's almost ready.
The heat is too much on this side.
Make sure it doesn't stick.
Make sure they are spread evenly over there. Yes, the sun is strong today. They will dry fast.
All right, lift it up. Careful now, slowly.
Keep the rhythm steady on your side. It's thickening up nicely now. Almost ready for the screen.
It's settling very slowly today. Yes, we should give it another hour before extraction.
Look how white that's getting already.
Almost ready for the drying racks.
Make sure it's even. The sun is strong today.
Yes, I am spreading it thin over here.
Make sure that sliver doesn't tangle up again.
I'm watching it. The wheel's moving faster now.
Good, keep that pace.
This batch looks good, very strong. Yes, the tension is finally right.
Steady now, push it through. Almost there. Cut it.
Careful with the stitching here.
All right, next one is ready for stacking.
Make sure that's tight.
Yeah, I got it. How many more for this pallet?
About 10.
स्पून मीले डोने कम की है अमकल बहाते जाता है लेकिन बांझ चारी को बस अधिता है इसे बांझ प्रत्येक गुरोकर से भुती है पहला दिख
Careful, move it to the side.
Okay, got it. Get the rope ready.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Educational content generated entirely using AI tools, scripting, voice design, and animations are original AI creations powered by Google AI Studio and VO3. No copyright content or footage has been used, designed for informative purposes only. All videos are AI simulated and not intended to represent real footage.